How's your week going? Is it any good? Right then, we are back today, day 2, and we have just literally finished off digging off the entire area. We had to go pick up a couple of things like I broke the old stink pipe, so we've got to replace that. But yeah, we've got everything dug out today. Tomorrow we'll be cracking on with the block work and the recess drain. On this we're using a 008 mini digger. It's not was used to using the 5-ton digger, so it's a little bit different, but still gets the job done, dumping off everything rather than using a grab lorry. So we dug the area out 260 mil below finished level. That's 150 mil sub base type 1 40 mil scalpings, 50 mil 6 mil to dust. Some people use sand. What do you guys use? We use 6 mil to dust. Some people use 6 mil without the dust. That's more of like that's more for better drainage. But yeah, we use 6 mil to dust. Some people use sand. But yeah, so 150 mil sub base of type 1 scalpings, 50 mil base is 6 mil to dust, and then 60 mil for your blocks. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be putting in the block edging. But yeah, that's what we got done today. Short day. See you tomorrow. Peace. Nearly at 1,000 subs. So yeah, please share the video, like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it.